Welcome to IDS-IT. Let's explore an important topic shaping the future of defense and global security. I'm the founder and director of International Defense Security and Technology, a California-based nonprofit think tank dedicated to research and analysis on global defense, security, and emerging technologies. I also serve as CEO of Interplanix LLC, a New Mexico-based company advancing satellite risk analysis, orbital debris forecasting, and space security frameworks to ensure mission assurance and resilience. Previously, I served in leadership roles at India's Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Most recently as Director of the Systems Analysis, Modeling, Safety, and Quality Cluster at DRDO Headquarters, New Delhi. This channel brings you deep insights into the global security ecosystem, from geopolitics and emerging military technologies to cyber, space, and system-level analysis of tech trends and their interrelationships. Subscribe and join us as we decode the forces shaping the future of global defense and human security.
Imagine this: a strike team moves into a hostile compound not alone, but flanked by robotic dogs and watched over by swarms of drones. It might sound like a sci-fi thriller, but this is today's counter-terrorism battlefield. As threats evolve and urban warfare grows more unpredictable, machines are becoming our newest allies on the front lines. Let's explore how robot dogs and drone swarms are transforming the way we fight terrorism. Rise of the robot dogs. Robot dogs have come a long way from tech demos and YouTube videos. Today, they're operational partners in high-risk missions. In deserts, debris fields, or collapsed buildings, these four-legged machines thrive where humans can't. Developed under programs like the U.S. Science and Technology Directorate (SIGS), they carry sensors that detect thermal signatures, chemicals, and even biological agents. During drills like the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's Interaction 2024, robot dogs led the charge, climbing stairs, scouting corners, and feeding live data to command centers. Ghost Robotics Vision 60 has even been tested with AI-guided weapons systems, reacting faster than human operators in live fire scenarios. They don't just walk into danger, they help keep humans out of it. Drone swarms take the skies. Meanwhile, overhead, a very different kind of ally is taking shape: autonomous drone swarms. Unlike single drones, these swarms work together like flocks of birds, navigating cities, forests, and chaos without needing GPS. China's military has demonstrated swarms of over 200 drones operating in tight coordination, updating shared maps, and reacting in real time. Some mimic birds so well, like the ornithopter Yunxiao, they blend into city skies for stealth surveillance. Others blanket rooftops, track enemy movements, and support follow-up assaults with live video feeds. This is the new air dominance: fast, smart, and impossible to overwhelm. Human-machine integration in combat. What's really changing the game is how these machines work together with human teams. In simulated missions, robot dogs enter buildings first, sniffing out booby traps and hiding combatants while drones patrol overhead. Armed with 3D maps and real-time threat detection, human squads move in with more clarity and less risk. Legs not wheels let robots go where humans can't. Drones see what's around the next corner before soldiers even reach it. This isn't just about firepower, it's about precision, protection, and survival. The weaponization dilemma. But with all this technology comes serious ethical baggage. We are seeing robot dogs with rifles, swarms with autonomous targeting capabilities. The US, China, Russia, they're all racing to deploy thousands of unmanned systems. The questions are urgent. Who's accountable if a robot misfires? Could these systems be hacked? Should AI ever have permission to use lethal force? These are not futuristic hypotheticals. They're today's policy challenges. The road ahead: smarter, scarier machines. What's coming next is even more advanced. AI-driven swarms isolating targets. Bio-hybrid robot dogs moving with muscle-like precision. Anti-drone systems built into robot chassis. China is already experimenting with cyberdog units that can engage both threats on land and in the air. And military leaders agree. Unmanned tech will dominate future counter-terrorism. So, are these machines replacing soldiers? Not quite. They're the first in. They take the heat. They buy time. But as we deploy these powerful tools, the question we must ask isn't just how, it's why. Who do they serve? What values guide them? Because these new guardians walking on four legs or flying in swarms are only as just, as precise, and as ethical as the humans behind them.